Hello everyone, I'm Akhilesh Kumar Srivastav, and from today's lecture, I'm going to start with the new series of HackerRank linked list coding. So this is the first problem in the HackerRank data structure module for the linked list. This says that we have to print the elements of the linked list, and it says that we have to print the data elements in the new line, each of the data elements in the new line. So for example, if I have the linked list which contains two elements 16 and 13, so the output has to be 16 and 13 in the new line. So let's try to write this code. Here a function has been given wherein the address of the first node is given. We just have to print the data element of this linked list. So there are many ways to write this, but I will try to write this in the recursive fashion. So I say that if head is not equal to null, then I will first print the data of the node. So cout head dot data, and after this I have to apply a new line. So either you can write the endl or the /n. After this you have to call this function recursively with the address of the next node. So this completes the function. Let's try to run this code. So you can see that the sample test cases have passed. This is just because we have taken a recursive code wherein if the head is not null, I am printing the information of the node and calling the same function with the address of the next node. So by the time the address is not null, we will keep printing the data of the node. So let's submit this code. You can see that all the test cases have got passed. So thank you so much.